prepare to be captivated by the Queen of Beauty herself, Dame Pat McGrath, as she reveals the secrets behind her unparalleled success and the emotional journey that fuels her creativity. But here's where it gets controversial. While many follow trends, McGrath has always been the trendsetter, and she's not afraid to challenge the status quo. Her recent appointment as Louis Vuitton's first cosmetics creative director has sparked debates about the intersection of luxury fashion and everyday beauty. And this is the part most people miss. McGrath's true genius lies not just in her ability to create iconic looks, but in her unwavering commitment to inclusivity and experimentation, which has revolutionized the industry. In an exclusive conversation, McGrath opens up about her creative process, sharing that it remains deeply rooted in instinct and emotion. However, she acknowledges that the canvas has expanded exponentially, from backstage chaos to lab development, and from couture runways to social media. Here's a bold statement. McGrath believes that beauty belongs to everyone, regardless of their appearance, identity, or interests. This philosophy is the driving force behind Pat McGrath Labs, her groundbreaking cosmetic brand that empowers individuals to experiment, play, and express themselves limitlessly. A thought-provoking question: can beauty truly be a tool for transformation and confidence, or is it still bound by societal norms and expectations? McGrath's work challenges these norms, as evidenced by her iconic looks that have sparked global beauty movements. From the shimmering lust gloss in Earth Angel that broke the internet to the glass skin look at Maison Margiela Artisanal, McGrath's artistry transcends boundaries and inspires everyday beauty. As we delve into McGrath's creative mind, we discover that her process is a delicate balance between minimalism and maximalism, commercial beauty and avant-garde artistry. She masterfully mixes textures, colors, and techniques to create looks that are both fashion-forward and wearable. But here's the real question. What if the future of beauty lies in products that respond to our emotions, shifting tone and texture based on our mood or energy? McGrath's innovative spirit hints at a world where beauty truly lives and breathes with us. A controversial interpretation. Some may argue that McGrath's emphasis on experimentation and inclusivity dilutes the exclusivity of high-end beauty. However, McGrath counters that true artistry lies in creating products that speak to real people, regardless of their background or experience. As she puts it, beauty is freedom, and her mission is to empower individuals to express themselves authentically. In a world where beauty standards are constantly evolving, McGrath's unwavering commitment to innovation and inclusivity serves as a beacon of inspiration. We want to hear from you. Do you think the beauty industry has truly embraced inclusivity, or is there still a long way to go? Share your thoughts and join the conversation as we celebrate the transformative power of beauty and the visionary artist who continues to shape it.